My name is Sandra, and the reason why I needed a new system in my home is because I have a dog that cannot go down the attic ladder that was there before.
Okay.
So I wanted something that was a bit more practical, because our dog follows us everywhere. And so when the kids or I are going upstairs, she wants to come up, which she can, but then she couldn't come down. So the kids and I have decided to invest and change the stairs, but it's also for the kids. They couldn't work with the existing attic ladder. It was not a good system.
So you
for
bought
children.
the house with the attic ladder in place, and I think you told me that the actual attic was already renovated. So so it was a beautiful space up there.
Yeah.
You had
but
no
not really
bad
usable
access
with that terrible ladder that was there. It was not really feasible with the kids.
Yeah, and so the ladder itself was, I guess, tell me about it's rickety or it's just hard to open.
Usual, hard to open, and also really hard to close. And when you close, it bangs. It was not convenient.
Yeah, excellent. So look, I guess you've now put in a Bcompact hybrid stair, which we'll have photos of and things. But basically, what was your process with trying to find something different or something better for your situation?
Well, I needed something that was really solid and giving some level of comfort to the children to go up and down and use the space. And because it is a narrow corridor, which is typical for the area, I couldn't have something that was permanent. So I had no options to put proper stairs in. There's no space to put proper stairs in.
Yeah.
And then I stumbled upon your website going like, surely something exists that's better than this, surely. I found your website and it just looked amazing.
Excellent.
And so I contacted you and we spoke from then on.
Yeah. And tell me maybe a little bit about your experience with the sales team or the people you've talked to get this all sort of sorted out to this point of having an installation.
Well, the experience was excellent and fast. And that's the biggest surprise. Usually when you do a project like that, it takes a long time for any response, and it takes a long time to have the team attend in the first place, and then for the team to come and install. This was extremely fast.
Excellent.
And very clear, very convenient, and like I'm really happy with the experience.
Brilliant.
It's impressive.
Oh, that's good.
Very professional.
Excellent, thank you very much. Maybe we'll just have a quick moment at the stair.
And it opens like this.
Beautifully. And yeah, sure, why not?
Should I go up?
Yeah, why not? Tell me what you think of the...
And it is very comfortable to go up, and it feels really solid, not like the other one. So that is fantastic.
And is somebody going to go up there now? Ooh,
Not yet.
Not yet.
We will train you for that.
Excellent.
And then you come back down. And if I don't need them in the way, I can just grab them here and close them just so.
Perfect.
Ta-da!
Fantastic. Well, I really hope you're going to enjoy your Bcompact stair, and it's going to be good for the children and obviously the puppy as well.
Yeah.
It should be fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Thank you, Sandra.
Thank you. Good girl, Mandy. All right, cool down.